Get ready for a special moral story from HKC Toon. Everyone remembered Ibrahim as the boy who cried at his father's funeral. He was only 16 when his father, a night security guard, was killed during a factory fire. The official report said, accident. The owner paid a little compensation, the case was closed, and the city moved on. Ibrahim never did. His mother fell sick soon after. Bills piled up. Relatives disappeared. Ibrahim quit school and started working small jobs. People saw him grow quiet, too quiet. No anger, no complaints, just silence. Years passed. The factory owner, Mr. Rehan Malik, became richer and more powerful. He gave interviews about ethics and hard work. People admired him. No one remembered the dead guard except Ibrahim. One evening, Ibrahim returned to the factory not as a worker, but as an IT consultant. Rehan Malik's company had hired a new firm to upgrade its security systems. Ibrahim's resume was impressive. His face was calm. Rehan didn't recognize him. "Good to have you on board," Rehan said, shaking his hand.
Ibrahim smiled politely. Over weeks, Ibrahim studied everything. Fire records, old CCTV backups, deleted files, late-night logs. He discovered something horrifying. The fire that killed his father was not an accident. Faulty safety alarms had been deliberately disabled to save money. Complaints were buried. Reports were altered. Rehan Malik had known. Ibrahim felt the rage rise, but he didn't rush. He remembered his mother's words before she died. Anger burns fast. Patience burns deep. He began planting seeds.
Anonymous emails went to journalists. Safety inspectors received tips. Former employees were contacted quietly. Ibrahim restored a deleted video file from years ago, a clip showing Rehan ordering alarms to be turned off during night shifts. The final move came on the night of Rehan Malik's grand anniversary celebration. Media everywhere, investors present. Speeches prepared. As Rehan stood on stage, the screens behind him turned on. The video played. Gasps filled the hall. Phones came out. Journalists froze, then rushed. Rehan tried to stop it, shouting orders, but it was too late.
Police arrived before the applause ended. Rehan Malik was arrested on the spot. Outside, reporters searched for the mysterious whistleblower. No one knew it was Ibrahim. He stood in the crowd, watching silently. But the story didn't end there. The next morning, Ibrahim visited the old graveyard where his father was buried. He placed fresh flowers and whispered, "It's done." As he turned to leave, a police officer stopped him. "Ibrahim Khan?" "Yes. You're under arrest." Ibrahim's heart dropped. "You hacked private systems," the officer said. "That's a serious crime."
Ibrahim didn't resist. At the station, the same journalist who exposed Rehan arrived with a lawyer. She smiled. "You planned this, didn't you?" she asked. Ibrahim nodded. "I knew I'd pay a price." Charges were discussed. Then, something unexpected happened. The government announced Ibrahim would not be prosecuted. Public pressure was massive. He was declared a key witness, not a criminal. As Ibrahim walked free, cameras surrounded him. One reporter asked, "Was this revenge?" Ibrahim looked straight into the lens and said, "No, revenge is loud, justice is quiet." Please like, share and subscribe for more best stories from HKC Toon.